This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by making sure the Blueparrott has enough charge. Low battery prevents pairing. Press and hold the power button until the LED flashes. This wakes pairing mode. On your phone or computer, open Bluetooth settings now and keep the device within 3 feet. Proximity matters. Once done, keep the headset steady and visible. You're initiating the connection sequence so the device can discover the Blueparrott quickly and reliably. You'll see Blueparrott appear in the Bluetooth list. Tap the exact model name. If the system asks for a PIN, type 0000 or accept the pairing prompt. That establishes trust between devices. Make sure you grant call and media audio permissions and contacts if you want caller ID. Once paired, the headset will announce connection. Make a quick test call or play audio to verify both microphone and speaker are routed correctly, because functional verification avoids surprises later. You finish by setting Blueparrott as the default audio device for calls and media. This prevents apps from using the phone speaker. If pairing fails, reset the headset by following the Quick Reset button combo. This clears old pairings. Make sure to reboot your phone and on Android, clear Bluetooth cache before retrying. If problems persist, move away from Wi-Fi routers or other headsets. Interference often causes dropouts, so reposition and try again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.